Hello everybody. It's been a minute since we used iWannaMaker to set up a tournament and enter players, so I thought I'd make a quick video. Here is typing in Lomira. It shows you that we have a varsity and JV meet, and they both pop up here and here. I'm going to select the varsity meet. You can edit the event, and there is where you can go to your teams. And then if you want to, you can add players. I have put my preliminary lineup of kids in. You go to the right side and you hit Add Golfers. And now these are all the kids who are currently users of the iWannaMaker GCAW app. If you don't have all your kids logged in, we won't be able to see them here. So please make sure all the kids participating tomorrow have logged in. And once you see your kids, you can click, click, click and add them. And then there'll be a save button in the lower right. You got to rank them too. So when you see your lineup, you have to make sure they all have their 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rank. Looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow.